Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color name and shapes name. And first, shapes name.
A, B, C, D,
Green color. Which color is this? Green. Orange color. Which color is this? Orange. Sky blue color. Which color is this? Sky blue. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow. Pink color. Which color is this? Pink. Shapes name: triangle, pentagon, circle, rectangle, heart, star. Let's start. Shapes. Draw the shapes: triangle, pentagon, circle,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
rectangle,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
heart,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
star.
ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
And let's start colors. Green color, triangle, green color, triangle. Orange color, pentagon, orange color, pentagon. Sky blue color, circle, sky blue color, circle. Yellow color, rectangle, yellow color, rectangle. Red color, heart, red color, heart. Pink color, star, pink color, star. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.